Okay, I'm back. But Dundas and Spadina, I think something's in my throat. I'm gonna go south in Spadina. Quick walk. Downtown, Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Another stroll down Spadina Avenue. One of those days you have a lot of clothes on, like coats and sweaters, but I'm a little warmer than I would like. But if I start removing these layers, the wind will get in there and then it'll be too cool. But anyways, that's my problem. Let's do this walk. That's Spadina right in front of us. Whoop. And we're going south in Spadina from Dundas. Let you see what's doing. Let you see what people are up to. Some of their stores, shops, cafes, little dumpling houses. Streetcar, the 510 streetcar right there. A little sun peeking out. It's gonna be gone soon. It was gone for a bit, then it kind of came back, but I know it's not gonna be back for very long. Let me keep going here. As you can see, it's windy. Look at the garbage bag. Windy, a little bit of windage. People selling on the sidewalk. Let me pan back from the store so you can see them a bit better. I'm on the west side of Spadina, the Hong Kong Island Dim Sum House. Okay. Got my comfortable shoes on, I feel pretty good. The hat's on. Got my little toque going there. Pigeons. This is the Chinatown Center right here. This poor guy here gets crapped on by all the pigeons. They gotta clean them all day, I think once a week. I've come here sometimes in the past where it's supposed a cake of pigeon crap, and they hadn't cleaned the guy off for like months. Couldn't even see him or recognize him. Anyways, you need a cannabis lawyer right there. Let's see, I hear a little ambulance action. I guess it's going along Dundas up there. Okay, let's continue south on Spadina. Toronto, Ontario, Canada. And it's a windy one, about 5 degrees Celsius. And I'm walking. Okay. We kind of pan the area. Got the wind muffs on, so you shouldn't be hearing the wind on my camera. Yep. Great day for a stroll. Now this is November, and everyone's getting the Christmas goodies up. I think these guys forgot to take their Halloween stuff off. Right here. Take a look at that. Okay. Life in the city. You can see the CN Tower peeking out over there. Little artwork on the building here. The co-working community for social impact. Right here. Little laneway. No shortage of streetcars today. What's the story here? Raw pet food. I think they're done. Nothing in there. Alex Fur. Oh, the old furs. Alex Furs. My cheeks are starting to get a little bit cool. When that happens, I start slurring. Ugh. Okay. This area is boarded up. I think, I don't know what's going in. Let's see if we can let you see what's doing. Woo-wee, a little windage. Okay. Oh, look at that, eh? A crane right up there. Hope that crane up there stays. I'm right in its path if it falls. Surveillance cameras right there. Yeah. Oh. Not a lot of foot traffic today. I don't know if it's the weather. Whoa, I smell Vicks Vapor Rub. I think that dude that ran in front of me there has got a wicked cold or something. You know, the Vicks Vapor Rub was strong. Tattoos. Right there. McDonald's. Right here. Okay. And we're at Queen Street. Better cross before I get clipped. That's Queen Street traffic, and that's going in an east direction right down there. And that's west direction of Queen Street. And we're going to still continue going south. Going south on Spadina. All right. Woo! More windage. So parts of my body are overheating and parts of my body are kind of cool. I can't get the right combo of sweater and toque and let me unzip a few things. There's a copper pulling somebody over. Oh, maybe he's not pulling somebody over. This is Richmond Street, right here. Richmond Street in a west direction, and Richmond Street in an east direction. Okay, so this is a bit of a short walk. I'm going to end it at Richmond Street here because Spadina on this day is not teeming with people and as vibrant as I would like it to be. So I'm not going to bore you anymore. So thanks for coming along this walk. Please like and subscribe, and I'll make more videos when I get a chance.